The whispers of magic. Have you ever held a brush and felt something more? A whisper of possibility? A hint of magic waiting to be unleashed? Tonight, we embark on a magical journey, a story woven with colors, emotions, and the extraordinary power of a single brush. Close your eyes, open your ears, and let your imagination take flight. The discovery. A brush unlike any other. Our story begins with Ilara, a young artist struggling to find her voice. She felt trapped by the ordinary, yearning to create something truly magical. One day, while exploring an old antique shop, she stumbled upon a brush. It wasn't made of ordinary wood. It shimmered with an otherworldly glow. The moment she held it, she felt a surge of energy, a connection to something ancient and powerful. This was no ordinary brush. This was a magical brush. The first stroke. Unleashing the imagination. Ilara, hesitant at first, dipped the brush into paint. But as she touched the canvas, something extraordinary happened. The colors weren't just colors, they were emotions, memories, dreams taking shape. With each stroke, the brush seemed to have a life of its own, guiding her hand, transforming her vision into reality. Her first painting wasn't just a landscape, it was a portal to a hidden valley, a place of peace and tranquility. The magical brush had unlocked the floodgates of her imagination. The power and the peril, the brush's influence. But the magical brush wasn't without its challenges. Ilara soon discovered that the brush had a powerful influence, not just on her art, but on her emotions. The colors she used reflected her inner state, amplifying her joy, but also her fears and anxieties. One day, consumed by doubt, she painted a storm, a tempest of dark colors that threatened to engulf her. The brush, sensing her turmoil, began to control her, its magic turning against her. The test. Mastering the magic. Ilara realized she had to learn to master the magic, not be controlled by it. She embarked on a journey of self-discovery, exploring her emotions, confronting her fears. She practiced painting with intention, focusing on positive emotions, channeling her inner strength. She learned that the brush was a tool, an extension of her own will, and that true magic came not from the brush itself, but from within her. The creations, art beyond the ordinary. With newfound control, Ilara's art blossomed. She painted portraits that captured the souls of her subjects, landscapes that transported viewers to another realm, and abstract pieces that expressed the deepest emotions of the human heart. Her art wasn't just beautiful, it was transformative. It touched people, inspired them, and brought a touch of magic into their lives. The gift, sharing the magic. Ilara realized that the true magic of the brush wasn't meant to be kept secret. She began teaching others, sharing her knowledge, and empowering them to unleash their own creative potential. She showed them that everyone has a magical brush within them, waiting to be discovered. It's not about talent. It's about courage, imagination, and the willingness to express yourself. The legacy. Art that transcends Ilara's legacy lived on, not just through her paintings, but through the countless artists she inspired. Her story became a legend, a reminder that art has the power to transcend the ordinary, to connect us to something deeper, something magical. And it all began with a single brush, a brush that whispered the secrets of imagination. The listener's brush now. I want you to imagine your magical brush. What colors would you use? What worlds would you create? What would you create with your magical brush? Let's inspire each other with the power of our imaginations. Thank you for joining me on this audio journey. Remember, The magic isn't just in the brush. It's within each of us. Unlock your imagination, embrace your creativity, and let your own magical brush paint the world with your unique vision. Until next time, keep creating, keep dreaming, and keep listening.